Follow these steps to create an ornamental pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin by creating a new document. Draw both diagonal and vertical lines, just like I'm doing here. Next, create a rectangle and rotate it. Select all, right-click and choose Make Guides. Make sure the guides are locked so they don't interfere while drawing. Now, draw a line here and set the stroke weight to 35 points. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the object. Next, change the stroke color and start sketching. Adjust the strokes until you get the desired shape. Go to Object and Expand. Then press Shift-X to swap the fill to stroke. Use the Direct Selection tool to align the corners with the guides. Activate the Pencil tool. Double-click it to open the options and set it up like this. Make sure the endpoints are closed. Refine the curves with the Curvature tool. Select all strokes, open the Pathfinder, and click Unite. Now, add another line here. Use the Pen tool and hold Alt to curve it. Adjust the stroke weight. Then right-click and group the object. With the object selected, activate the Reflect tool. Hold Alt and click the center point to open the options. Set the angle to 135 degrees and click Copy. Select all. Use the Shape Builder tool and merge these areas. Activate the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click the center. Set the angle to 90 degrees and copy. Press Ctrl D to repeat the rotation. Select all. Group them. Then rotate the design. Press Ctrl Alt 2 to unlock the objects. Change this line to vertical. Go to Object, Expand. Then press Shift-X to swap. Use the Pen tool to create a spear-like shape. Hold Alt to curve the line, and edit the stroke until it looks right. Next, select the shape, activate the Reflect tool, click on the guideline, and copy reflect. Select both shapes, then go to Object, Path, Join. Select both. Open Pathfinder again and click Unite. Adjust the stroke thickness. Now, select the design, press R. Hold Alt and click the center. Set the angle to 90 degrees and click Copy. Press Ctrl D to repeat the rotation. Select All and choose Unite from the Pathfinder panel. Finally, fill the shape with white. Right-click and hide the guides. And that's it. Rotate the final pattern, and you're done. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.